In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing business expenses or tracking personal finances, setting up your credit card accounts correctly in QuickBooks Online is essential for accurate bookkeeping. By doing this, you'll be able to seamlessly track transactions, categorize payments, and maintain an up-to-date financial picture. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your finances, and if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to create a credit card account. First, start by opening your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open up a menu with various options to customize and manage your account settings. Next, from that menu, select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks organizes all the accounts you use to track your business or personal finances. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right corner again and click the New button. This is where you'll begin setting up your new credit card account. Now, you'll need to enter some details about the credit card account you're creating. Start by giving it a name. For example, you might use the name of the bank or the credit card brand, such as Chase Visa or American Express. This helps you easily identify the account later. After naming the account, it's important to set the correct account type. In this case, you'll choose credit card from the list of account types. Then, for the detail type, make sure to also select credit card. These settings tell QuickBooks how to categorize and handle transactions for this account. The next step is to enter the opening balance for your credit card account. This is the starting balance that reflects what you owe on the card as of a specific date. Be sure to enter the correct amount and the corresponding date for that balance. Accuracy here is key to ensuring your account stays in sync. If you'd like, you can also add a description for the account. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to include any additional details or notes about the credit card account. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save button to create the credit card account. QuickBooks will now add it to your chart of accounts. To verify everything is set up correctly, locate your newly created credit card account in the Chart of Accounts list and click View Register. This will open the account register, where you can review, add, or edit any transactions associated with this credit card. Finally, when you need to record new transactions, such as expenses or bill payments, use the New button located at the top left of the QuickBooks dashboard. While creating a transaction, make sure to select the credit card you just set up as the payment account. This ensures that all transactions are properly linked to the right account. And that's it. You've successfully created a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.